Well, if there's a mathematical library, there's a library for genes and proteins. And our genome is largely unused. A genome is all of our DNA in each cell, and we use about maybe 5% of it. And the rest of it I view as a nursery. And I believe that that nursery has the ability to call down genes from this library, store them, and at some future point have an entire gene team, let's say for echolocation, which is what bats do. They fly right over your head because they can put out sound waves and receive them back and paint their world with sound. Well, there was no partially echolocating bat. Just all of a sudden there were bats that could echolocate. And I believe the correct theory of evolution is from a library in a higher dimension, downloaded and stored into a genome of a future animal. And that animal only appeared when it made sense, when it needed to fly in the dark, when it needed whales to go deep in the dark waters. And I believe that's the way God planned it, is that these genes would download, form as teams. And when the time came they were needed, they'd be sent to what I call the factory. And that's my understanding of evolution, is a series of downloads from God's library that then enabled life to go in new directions, to accept new challenges. And that's my theory of evolution.